How to add a user as a TA in Brightspace. Log into your admin account. Access the correct course for the request. Using the nav bar, go into the course admin. Within the course admin, choose Class List. Currently, in my class, I have myself as an instructor, and I also have a demo learner. The request is to add Ann Key as a TA to this course. To do that, I will go up to Add Participants. Using the drop-down box, select Add Existing User. An existing user is anyone within CNM. The user that I'm going to add is Ann Key. I could also search using her username. For now, let's search with her first and last name. Hit Enter. Scroll down. There she is. Now, I need to select her role. She will be TA. I need to select the section. It's Intro to Tourism. Make sure and check her name and enroll selected user. Confirmation of enrollment. I do not wish to add any more participants. I'm done. You can see that Ann Key has now been added as a TA to this course. If I've made an error or I wish to unenroll someone, I simply just need to check their name and click Unenroll. I will confirm that I wish to do that, select Yes. And now Ann Key has been successfully removed from this course.